Hi everyone, welcome back to my vet journey. So many of you have asked me that out of IVRA Bareilly and Madras Veterinary College, which one is better for doing BVSC in AH, that is Bachelor in Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. Though there are other colleges as well and we'll discuss about them in the upcoming videos, but in this video we'll discuss about only these two colleges because these are the leading veterinary colleges in India. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Starting with the fee structure. So for IVRA Bareilly, this is the overall BVSC and AH fee structure. Now the fees is different for SC/ST category and OBC general category. They have also included the hostel fees. They also mentioned other charges as well, you can see on the screen. So actually I have taken this screenshot from the official website of IVRA Bareilly. I have shared the links in the description, you can check. If we talk about general and OBC category, so this is the overall BVSC fees which you have to pay in 5.5 years. That is total 1,87,000. So this is the overall BVSC fees for 5.5 years. This is including hostel fees. For SC and ST category, total BVSC and AH fees is 1,42,050. So this is the overall BVSC and AH fees, including hostel fees. So this is the overall BVSC and AH fees. Talking about Madras Veterinary College, which comes under Tanuvas University. So this is the overall fee structure of Tanuvas colleges, including Madras Veterinary College. So total BVSC and AH fees, 5.5 years fees in Madras Veterinary College is 96,055, excluding hostel fees. So this is the overall BVSC fees. Talking about the clinical exposure which you'll get during your BVSC and AH course. So in Madras Veterinary College, the clinical exposure is much higher than IVRA Bareilly during BVSC and AH, especially if we talk about the small animal exposure. And moreover, Madras Veterinary College is one of the oldest veterinary colleges of India and it comes under the top veterinary university of India, that is Tanuvas, Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. On the other hand, IVRA Bareilly, that is Indian Veterinary Research Institute Bareilly, which is situated in Uttar Pradesh. This is one of the prestigious and renowned veterinary college of India in terms of research and development in animal and veterinary science field. And this is the dream college of most of the veterinary doctors who want to pursue post-graduation in veterinary science and animal husbandry. Now ultimately it's your decision which college you want to choose for doing BVSC and AH. In case you are from north of India and planning to take admission in Madras Veterinary College, then you should be ready to adjust with food and language because language is entirely different and food is also different as compared to north. And same goes to those students who belong to south of India who want to take admission IVRA Bareilly. If you want to check the procedure of admission in IVRA Bareilly and Madras Veterinary College, I have mentioned the link in the description. Hope that will be helpful for you. So that's all in this video. You can also check out my Instagram and Telegram link I mentioned in the description. And in case you have any queries or doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. I'll try to reply all of them. Thank you.